Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I will show how I make this custom 3D printed cake topper with multiple layers and how I combine 3D printing with sticker paper to create this design. This topper was made as a custom order for Western Michigan University to celebrate 500 wins of their tennis team. So let's start. So this topper was a custom request and my client wanted something special to celebrate their university team. They wanted gold bold numbers and the team logo. I made my design in Cricut Design Space program. It helps me clearly see the designs and organize all the elements before moving to modeling. Once the flat design is ready and approved, that's when I move to the next step, turning this design into a 3D model. And for that I use GenShapr. I really like using GenShapr because it makes the design process much easier, especially if you're creating layered designs. First I designed the base layer, the large 500 plus numbers. Then I added a second layer for the world wings. After that I created space for the logo to sit on top. Before I upload all my elements of cake topper, I changed color to the black, added white background and screenshotted all elements. These files we will upload to the GenShapr. Just one click and our 3D model is ready. You should check that all parts of your cake topper are connected, then adjust the dimension. I decided that my cake topper will be 6.5 inches. Then select the height and after that you can download STL file. After checking the sizes of other elements, we also upload them to the GenShapr. I adjusted the height of each layer so the topper looks dimensional but still lightweight. Now let's talk about 3D printing. For this topper I printed two elements in gold filament and other in black. Let's start with a gold color. Before printing I rotate my entire design 180 degrees. Basically I flipped it upside down. When you print this way, the front surface gets very smooth and slight textured finish from the build plate. This small step makes a big difference in the final result. You can see all my exact print settings on the left side of the screen in the slicer. I show everything I use for this project. This project will be printed in 47 minutes. Let's select the filament color and press send. Now we will repeat all the same steps for black color. So now let me show the most satisfying part. The 3D printer has finished printing all the elements of the cake topper. Let's take a closer look. The edges are sharp and layers are clean and everything looks very crisp. Now let's move to the logo. I printed it on high quality sticker paper from HTV. I will leave links and full material details in the description below this video. On my channel I will also share separate videos showing how I design and print my stickers, what printer settings I use and how I get bright and high quality results. So make sure you follow my upcoming videos if you are interested in that process. Very slowly and carefully I align the sticker with the base and apply it on top. So it's time to assemble everything. For this project I use super glue. It works very well for 3D printed parts and creates a strong, fast bond. I carefully attach each layer together, making sure everything is aligned properly. And here is the final result. I truly appreciate every view, like and comment. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting, my friends!